Yeah, welcome back, my superstars. And if you're just joining us, you are welcome. Today, we'll be talking about websites and apps to earn $100 daily chatting with people. Okay, so I know you're wondering if it's possible to make $100 daily just chatting. Yes, it is. Very, very possible. Yeah, there are so many people out there who are lonely, who need people to talk to. People are going through a lot, my superstars. Some of these people do not have family, they do not have friends, probably because they are shy, they cannot communicate with people. And also, some people have very wonderful character and do not tend to get along with people easily. So they are lonely and they need someone to talk to, someone who understands them, someone they can communicate with, share ideas, share their problems, okay, someone who can listen. So they tend to pay to have this companionship virtually, all right. And also there are people out there who, probably because of age, they cannot reach out to people, they cannot go out, so they are lonely, they need people to talk to. So they need good listeners. So by being a good listener, being a friend, you can earn money online chatting with people. Sometimes it's by video call, sometimes it's by chatting, sometimes virtually. But however, you can earn money chatting with people online. So I'll be telling you those websites you can become a friend to someone and earn money daily chatting with people. All right, let's dive in. But before we do, Amido is sitting young. I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if you love this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, let's dive in. Let's dive in. Okay, so like I said, there are so many platforms you can chat with people, so many apps you can chat with people and earn money daily. I started a series on how to earn money online, how to make money online. And this is another great way you can make money online, no matter your location. First on my list is Rent a Local Friend. Rent a Local Friend is available in 783 cities in the world. Rent a Local Friend connects travelers with locals and it helps travelers have an experience of the food, local tips, wonderful spots, news, and amazing tips about a locality before they either travel there or while they are there. These friends who are locals give them the best experience while they are in that location or virtually. All right, so it's a great platform that connects people of same interest, people who are of like minds, people you can communicate via video calls or via chat, and from there you get to travelers get to have a first-hand experience of the place. These locals tend to help them with accommodation, sometimes the best food spots where they can have the best of the local dishes and delicacies in the place, and they communicate, and all this, they make good friends while making money at the same time.
To get started, go to your browser and type Rent a Local Friend. You'll see a page. When you scroll down, you'll see Become a Local Friend. Click on it. Then you'll see another page which says Create Your Profile. Below that page, click on Create Your Profile Now. A sign up page will come up. Fill in your details and you are a local friend.
Okay, so next on the list is Rent a Cyber Friend. Rent a Cyber Friend connects people of same interest, hobbies on one platform. Okay, so if you're lonely and you need someone to like gist you, maybe someone to talk to you about football, then people who love football can connect on this platform and then exchange and then communicate, share ideas, laugh about football via video calls, text. Okay? So if you're a lover of computer games, you can look for someone who loves computer games and connect with the person, and then compete online and all that, share ideas, catch fun, laugh, and all that. So Rent a Cyber Friend is a great platform for people who want to meet people with similar interests and hobbies and have a great time.
To get started, on your browser, type Rent a Cyber Friend. A new page comes up which says, are you passionate about anything and looking for ways to earn money on this site? Then Rent a Cyber Friend is for you. Receive video calls from callers who want you to engage them on what matters to you both. To get started, sign up, update your profile, and wait for their approval. Add your interest, add your pay rates, and callers will find you. On this platform, you are paid per minute. You determine the amount you are paid per minute you spend. No special skill is required. All you need is to be 18 years and a good internet connection and be friendly. That's it. You make these connections with people via calls. As you scroll down the page, you'll see sign up as a cyber friend, and once you click on it, and then you scroll down the page, you see become a cyber friend. Click on it and fill in your details.
Next on the list is FriendPC. FriendPC is another great chat platform that connects people, friends, and travelers. Alright, so all you need is just a good phone or a good laptop and internet connection, and you're good to go. You can connect with a friend via calls, via chats, via video calls, and then you make your money. People are charged per minute on this platform. Per minute you can earn, and whatever you earn is immediately sent to you. You can get payments via PayPal or via direct bank payment, whichever is a great way to earn. Okay, my superstar. Alright.
To get started, go to your browser and type friendpc.com. Then you'll see another page which tells you what FriendPC is. It helps you make friends, find someone to accompany you somewhere, or help you reach a goal. Not only do they provide an opportunity for subscribers to meet friends, but they create a platform for virtual friends to earn extra cash by posting friendship booking services. As a friend, you speak on the phone with another friend, you text, and you do video chat with another friend. It allows you to rent a friend who can teach you a new skill or hobby. You can share your skills as a life coach, mentor, offering friendship services for anyone who needs a ear to listen. Guess what? You can also be a tour guide for travelers and get paid. As you scroll down, you'll see an icon, become a virtual friend. Click on it, a form will appear, fill it, and voila, you're a virtual friend.
Okay, so which of these methods of making money online will you be trying? Is it FriendPC? Is it Rent a Cyber Friend? Is it going to be Rent a Friend? Which of these will you be trying out? Write it in the comment section. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And if you have not subscribed my superstars, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, please like and share this video. Thank you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.